Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel Maxwell, and today I'll be showing us 3 beautiful ways in which we can match images to the background. The very first method here is a very simple one, and we're going to start from the scratch. So the very first thing we'll do, we import image. Remember the image we import, go down, we choose the particular image we want to use for this particular tutorial, and we will use this, and this will do. Then we're going to have to centralize it, choose a relative position for it, and we'll drop it in. Okay, now we'll pick a background that will go. Remember this, we're going to use this icon over here. You're using this particular icon over here. So this is the icon. Once you've tapped on it, you go to colors and tap on plus. Remember, you're not using gradient. This is gradient, but we are using the color. You're going for color up here, so sorry, going for color and not gradient. We'll tap on a plus and then we just enable it. That's because I've enabled it before, but do not forget that to pick this color, all you just need to do is tap on the plus icon and then use the color picker. You pick the particular color and then voila, and you're good to go. Okay, we've actually done this particular one. As you can see, the color has blended perfectly into the background. So now we are going to look for a way we can blend this particular image. As you can see, the down of this image here needs blending. The down of this image down here actually needs some blending, so we are going to look for a way to blend this image perfectly to this background so that it doesn't show, because it doesn't look professional. So right now we're going to go back to our central icon here, and then we'll pick on shapes. We'll pick a square shape and we're giving that a view. For now, we'll just leave it on a white view. Then look, we are also going to centralize this one. Centralize it. Okay, we've done that. Now we'll pick a color for it. Enable the color option. Then we're using gradient, so we'll go to gradient, and for this particular side we're going to pick all black. To make this particular side all black, as you can see. Then for this particular side we're choosing the all white function for it. Make sure it's all white, make sure you confirm it before you leave. Okay, after we've gotten this, we are actually going to tap on the OK button. Then we are going to duplicate this particular shape, and we're also going to leave it on this particular one. So we'll also tap the relative position icon and then we centralize it. The next process here is to merge them together, the last two images. Okay, I have actually merged these two together, so it's perfectly out the way I want it to be. Okay, now we're going to go to the erase color function. You can see I've actually erased that a bit. Okay, I'm going to think I should leave this at 30. Let me leave this at 39. 39 will be okay, perfectly okay. Okay, so you can see that this particular one I left it at 39. Then I'm going to choose a color for it. And remember, we choose the white color, but for those who are, for some reason, let me just go all over it again. You choose the color picker and then choose the image. You select the white part of it so that it fits perfectly into the background. Okay, so you can see now all we just have to do is stretch it across the design. You can see that right now we have covered this perfectly. So this is the very first method. As for the other methods, you can check out in my next lesson. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Stay blessed.